guys, if you have been struggling with how to tie your beautiful head wrap and very fast and very quick to any occasion of your choice, you see this video is going to be a helpful one. So stick around and watch how I achieve this beautiful head wrap with no stress at all. All you need is just your office pin and your material and you are good. Shall we? Very simple. You can use a 2 layers ashoki to try it. You can use your 3 layers, but for this tutorial I'll be using a 3 layers joint ashoki material, and here is a readme material. I'm using 3 layers as I've said, so we're going to stretch it out first. Let me show you so that you can see that it is a 3 layer strand ashoki. So this is the first one, the second one, and the third one joined, right? So first thing first, we're going to stretch the material out just like this. I'm going to stretch it out. Then what we do next is out like this. Then I'm placing on my head. I'm going to place it on my head. And another thing I want us to take note is that the division when placing on the head is going to be on an equal division, right? It's going to be on an equal division, making sure that the material is equal after placing on your head like this, right? So let's move forward. We come like this. We're not making too much of pleats, or should I say we are not making pleats, it's just a fold in. So it depends on the length. You see how I pick it, because I have 3 layers. If you have 2 layers, yours might not be up to that when you want to pick in like that. So I'll just come like this, right? So I'm going to the back. I'm going to the back to turn it like this. Cross my right to left and left to right. Let it come like this. Am I clear? So once that is done, you still have it on equal level, and this is well laid, right? So we move to the next step, and that is super easy. Just focus, guys. This, can you see? Like this, like this. Bend this one inward, like this. Grab it. Then this one. Then this one. We're going to do this one too, like that. You feel it is loose when you are doing this, but make sure you. So I'm going to fold, bend this one in. I'm going to bend this one in. If it's like this, grab it, grab, right? So I want it to come to this side. I want the knot to come to this side. So I'm coming like this. Okay. Then I go again. Then it is secured, right? So we have this flap. It's very easy to do. You just come, bend this one. This is the way I fold it, like this. Take it in, bend it, like this. Where is your office pin right now? We're going to grab our pin and we pin down right here. And pin down right here. My pin, and I just pin like this, and it's standing, it's firm already. So this is staying like this. And remember, we have the other flap too. We're just going to bend it as well. Bend it as well. And bring it here. Then pin together. Yeah. So after pinning, this is what I have, but I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm just still going to, make sure I press, I touch, so that the beauty wherever is hiding is going to come out. It's going to come out. So this is lovely beauty. Look at this. Look at this. Like, absolutely simple. Only if you don't want to tell me. I know. Absolutely simple. I'm going to stand up. You guys are going to feel the back. So guys, here is the front now. You can see how it looks. I love this style, yeah. The fact that it's simple make me love it so much. That's literally anyone at all can try it. Really makes me love it. So guys, don't hesitate to hit on the share button. Share this video. Share this video. Some other people need it. Share it, guys. Leave a beautiful comment for me. If you know this is helpful, leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel. Then I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.